Welcome back. In today's deep dive, we're pushing EF Core 10 to its absolute limits. If you've ever struggled with slow database operations when handling thousands of records, this guide is for you. We are going beyond the standard SaveChanges to explore the world of high-performance bulk operations. Don't just take my word for it. Let's look at the hard data from the official SQL Server benchmarks. Focus on the 100,000 entity count. With standard SaveChanges, the operation drags on for over 7 seconds. But with BulkInsert, it finishes in just 1.2 seconds. That is nearly 6 times faster, with significantly less memory allocation. Now, let's jump into Visual Studio. I've set up a simple product model and our DB context to work with SQL Server. Let's start with the standard way, using EF Core's SaveChanges to insert 50,000 records. As you can see, it takes quite a while because it tracks every single entity. In this case, it took over 7 seconds. To solve this performance bottleneck, we need a more efficient way to communicate with our database. And that's where Entity Framework Extensions by ZZZ Projects comes in. Installing it is very simple. Go to your NuGet package manager, search for Z Entity Framework Extensions EF Core, and click Install. Now, let's switch to Entity Framework Extensions by ZZZ Projects. By replacing the standard call with their bulk insert method, we bypass all that overhead. Look at that. The same 50,000 records processed in less than a second. That is a massive performance boost. But what if you need to sync your database with an external source? That's where BulkMerge becomes a lifesaver. Instead of manually checking which records exist and which don't, BulkMerge handles the entire Upsert logic in one go. Now, let's look at something even more powerful, BulkMerge. In this scenario, I've modified the price of an existing product and added a brand new one to our list. By calling context.bulkMerge, we are performing what's known as an upsert. Instead of writing complex logic to check what's new and what's old, this single command synchronizes everything instantly. Look at the speed. It processed 50,000 updates and inserts in just a fraction of a second. This is how you handle complex data synchronization like a pro using ZZZ projects. As you can see, Entity Framework Extensions by ZZZ Projects is a game changer for .NET developers. It transforms hours of database operations into just a few seconds, making your applications faster and more scalable.